Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Something a little out of the mainstream for us. We have a 2012 Camaro. It's a 45th edition and it's an RS. So more of a modern muscle. As you can see, that's a big old engine in there. These are fun cars, especially I think they got the body redesigned in like 2010 or 9. I'm trying to remember which it was, but fun car. Looks pretty. Interior's nice and clean as well. I'm just gonna go ahead and crank her. Fire's right up, which is what we want. AC blows nice and cold and the radio works. Paint's in good condition too, considering the miles. It looks like whoever drove this did take care of it, which is good. But let's stop gawking. Let's go for a drive.
All right, sounds good. Got the nice 2 different color pinstripes. Pretty clean, pretty clean. So we're gonna take it for a spin. Stay tuned.
All right, let's go see what she can do. Every time I see these cars, it makes me think of Transformers. Oh, we kind of got stuck behind a bit of a slower, but radio works.
Yes, AC is blowing nice and cold.
She downshifted properly though there. Everything felt
Slow down
smooth.
real quick.
Yeah, let's see if we can do it again.
Good brakes.
Yeah, heads-up display works too, which is really cool. All of our gauges are correct. Interior on this is quite nice. I'm actually going to make a U-turn here because our friend there is just going a little too slow. But we can take her over some of these speed bumps so you can see that she doesn't have any like weird sounds. No squeaking. Nothing like that. Kind of hit those pretty hard too just to kind of make the point. Well, let's get on her here. Here we go.